Hey, what's up you guys? Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super exciting video. This is going to be my 2020 gift guide. I wanted to make this one as just like comprehensive as I could, and two, I wanted to include things that I'm going to be giving, things that I've received in the past, and also things I'm asking for this year to kind of get a better picture of things. I also asked y'all over on my Instagram to provide any suggestions, any gifts that you've received that you loved, great things to give, etc. So I'm also including those in here. If you have any suggestions on like what to get for people, what you've loved receiving, anything like that, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear, because you know it is December 11th today, right? I haven't done any Christmas shopping, not a lick, none. So probably should do that tonight after I'm done editing this video. But if you're new, definitely subscribe down below. I'm making new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until Christmas. And yeah, let's get it right on into the gift guide. So my first category is college, and I feel like any of these really are good ideas, especially if they're getting their first apartment or their dorm room, etc. So I'm just kind of list them off. LED lights, those are super popular. I actually asked my brother Connor for those this year to put around my bed here. An espresso, a Keurig, college essential, couldn't live without my Keurig, and I've been obsessed with my espresso here at home. Artifact Uprising actually has these cute little calendars that I've seen where you can like personalize it with your own photos, or I know my roommate Clara did these little cute little Polaroid things, and they're really nice prints, and she has them on her wall, so those are a great option for decorating dorm room, college apartment, etc. Also, if y'all remember from my move-in vlog, the Rustickities that I featured, I love these. These would make an amazing gift. A disposable camera that's just like a cute little stocking stuffer. I know I took a ton of photos on my phone this semester with the Dispo app, but just like having the physical pictures, I feel like printed out on film would be so cool. Pots and pans, that's a great gift, especially for those college students who are getting their first apartment. I know I definitely asked for a lot of things like that last year when I had my first college apartment. Also, like since we're doing a lot more things outside now, a picnic blanket, a charcuterie board, maybe even a wine bottle if they're of age, something like that. That's like a super cute bundle for like a little outdoor thing. Also, something that I didn't realize I needed as much as I did this year is like a nice travel organizer. Claire actually suggested this on my Instagram. She said a travel jewelry organizer, but also like a makeup organizer, toiletry bag, anything like that. You're gonna be moving around a lot in college and like going back and forth. Maybe you're spending a night at your friends, or you're going back home for the weekend or something like that. Like just travel cases or like duffel bags, anything like that. Those are great gifts. And then last but not least, to round out the college section, drinking game cards. You can't go wrong. There's like a couple, and I'll like put them on the screen, but there's one that I played with Lauren on her birthday, her 21st. It was so fun. I think it was called For the Girls or something. Also forgot to mention scout bins or anything from Cat Studio would make such amazing gifts for college students. Now moving on to our little work from home bundle. I feel like a lot of people have probably acquired some of this, but again, it's one of those things where sometimes you want to get people gifts that they wouldn't necessarily buy themselves, but they use all the time. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm thinking blue light glasses, scrunchies, maybe like a hair clip even. I mentioned those in my favorites video, like the claw clips. Been obsessed with those. Great for work from home. Reusable straws, coffee mugs, a coffee warmer. You can buy one of those that can sit on your desk. I'm not sure how much they are, but I'm looking into buying one of those for myself because my coffee gets cold so easily because I drink it so slow. But just like something like coffee, you could do like a total coffee moment. Also, Meredith suggested a desk chair, which I'm also asking for a desk chair for Christmas, which is like so lame, I feel like, but also every day I would sit at my desk for so many hours. And so it's like, if you're spending that many hours, you might as well have a nice desk chair. Also, this is more of like a wish list item that I'm asking for, but like a nice black sweater or like a neutral sweater, just because I feel like that's perfect to throw on for class or meetings or something like that to make you look put together, but obviously it's super comfortable. So maybe investing in a nicer piece like that would be a great gift. And a lot of people suggest on my Instagram headphones, AirPods, stuff like that. I received Bose headphones, like, I mean, probably 4 or 5 years ago from my dad. One of the best gifts I've ever received. They're just so high quality. They block out the sound and noise. You can just really focus when you put them on. They're great for students, people working from home now, just anyone. Great gift. I know we're out of like the first quarantine period where everyone was wearing a lounge set. I feel like they're still cool. So a lounge set, maybe a pair of leggings, something like that. Sweatpants, great option. Also, this is more geared towards me because I'm such a puzzle freak, but I feel like a puzzle would be such a good gift. I would love to receive a puzzle. I actually asked for puzzles for Christmas from my parents, but you know, that's just me. Also, if like the person you're like buying a gift for is really into like working out from home or like wants to get started doing that, I don't know if you can like buy the Peloton app for them, but like you could give them like a gift card to like go towards that or something. Going along with like the work from home vibe, I'm also gonna go into like a self-care vibe. So the first suggestion is from my friend Meredith. She suggested a really good bathrobe. I'm gonna have to second this one because I didn't really use one this year. Both my roommates have bathrobes. They wear them all the time after they get out of the shower. You can just like do your skincare, like take your time, whatever. Meanwhile, I don't have one and I just don't have that luxury, you know what I mean? And I've heard of the Barefoot Dreams one. Barefoot Dreams is like such an investment, but I feel like that would be a great gift, especially for someone who's like doesn't want to purchase it for themselves, but you know, would just love it. So great gift option. Also, like a couple other ideas with this is like a candle, a pajama set. I know the ones from Target are really nice, or you could get them from anywhere, obviously. Wine glasses, a journal. That's great, especially for like this time period that we're going through right now. I feel like it would be good to journal. And also slippers. I had someone suggest on my Instagram that the UGG moccasins were the ones that like she wears all the time. I always just bought like Target slippers, but over time, after I keep having to replace them, I'm like, maybe I should just buy some nice ones and never have to replace those. So UGG definitely has some super nice ones. Just like a nice little lounge slipper with the bathrobe. Yes. Also, my Wicked soft blanket from Ella Bean is just the comfiest, softest blanket ever. My grandparents got my brothers and I these blankets 6-7 years ago, and we all have our monogram on it, so we all know whose is whose and we can't like mix it up. It is just so comfortable and I sleep with it every night. So a couple of the suggestions on my Instagram were super cute and sentimental, and especially if you're looking into making more of like a homemade gift or something really meaningful, I feel like these gift ideas would be great for that. And I think I came up with actually none of these. So these are all from the people on my Instagram, which is great because I would have never come up with these. So the first one is open when letters. Those are super cute. I've seen those around like Pinterest and stuff. Just like open when you're missing me or you're feeling sad or whatever. I like can't even say it with a straight face because I'm just like so not an emotional person. Also not a boy in sight. So that's how that goes. Also, this one's super cute. You could do this one for a friend, a boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever. A jar of 100 fun ideas that you guys could do together, or 100 things you like about a friend. That's super cute. Or boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever, fill in the blank. That's from B. Super wholesome. Someone suggested a custom Viewmaster, and I have to admit I had to Google this to figure out what it was, but it's one of those things where you can like look into it and like click the thing and it like switches the picture. Super cute idea. I would have never come up with this. This is a great idea for something meaningful. I don't know if it could be ready in time for Christmas, but I'll leave some links down below. You can figure it out. And then Chloe suggested a 5 senses gift, which I also had to Google because I thought she was messing with me, but then turns out it's a real thing. But it's like you have something that you see, touch, smell. I don't know whether or not you do it around like a theme or something, but that seems like a super cool idea too. So all of those are just super unique, I feel like, and you could really make it as personal as you want. So now onto fashion. I feel like anyone could use some good leggings in their lives. So the Spanx leather leggings, Align leggings from Lululemon, those are super comfy. Or even like the Splits 59 yoga pants. Those are great options for like work from home. I know I wear activewear all the time, so that's a great option for me. I know I asked for those. Also, Amelia suggested she always asks for bauble bar necklaces or earrings. Those are super cute pieces. I feel like you can just use all the time and they're super high quality. Also, to add on to bauble bar, jewelry is a great gift. I feel like especially a classic necklace like this one, or I have my class ring on, but like a circle, a classic gold ring, something like that, or even like gold hoops. I feel like anything gold or silver, depending on the person's preference, is a great gift and super timeless. So that's a great option. I'll link a couple small businesses down below because I know that there's so many on Etsy. And then I also got my super small hoops that I wear every day from Amoriana Jewelry. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll link her down below too. A leather jacket. This is probably tailored more to asking for yourself. I don't really know if I would know like what leather jacket to give people, but leather jackets I feel like are just so versatile. Great staple in the wardrobe. Also, for me personally, I wear sneakers all the time. I don't know if it has to do with my style right now or being a college student or both. All I wear is sneakers. So I'm thinking like the Vija sneakers, I asked for those. I love my Air Force Ones. I'm actually wearing them right now. I found these cute little Nike React ones. I'll link them. Ultra Boost are kind of like a similar vibe to that, very like athletic. I also asked for running sneakers because I went running the other day and I like literally couldn't walk after, probably because I haven't replaced my running shoes since high school. So that's that. Last end off fashion, I feel like sunglasses are a super cute gift, whether it's like fun sunglasses to a friend. I know I got both Sam and Liv like really funky sunglasses. Well, I actually made them, but I like made them funky sunglasses for their birthdays and they both loved them. Super fun. But you could also do like more like classic black sunglasses. for someone else if you know their style a little bit better, but I feel like those are also a great gift. I think it's also something that people wouldn't necessarily want to splurge on for themselves, but like to receive as a gift would be super cool. For beauty, I feel like everyone this year has been so into like the blown out look, and so to kind of round that out, I feel like the Revlon blow dryer brush is such a great gift. I think I'm gonna get my mom this. I hope she's not watching this, and like maybe you could even do like some hairspray or like hair products and do like a little bundle there, or this just makes a great gift by itself. Also, going back to the toiletry thing before, a makeup holder, a makeup case, great option for just like travel and stuff. I know that I use mine all the time. Also, just like some more luxury things, not even luxury, but like some nice little spa things that once again people wouldn't necessarily buy for themselves. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream smells divine, just amazing if you're looking to splurge on a little something for your mom, your grandma, your sister, whoever. And then also going off that, a Lush face mask or a face mask from anywhere, obviously. Just feel like that's like super cute if you want to add on to like the self-care aspect, if like you're doing bundles. Can you tell I'm just like really into bundles? Like that's my thing. I feel like tech is always just such a hot ticket gift. This year I feel like the iPad is going to be so popular, especially with the new iPad Air, which basically is the iPad Pro. So I mean, there's so many options of iPads out now. I personally have the 7th generation one and it's been great. I love it, and it was not over $1,000 like the iPad Pro, so I highly recommend that. If you guys want to see my review on that, I'll link it down below and up in the cards. That's like a great gift for school, work. If you're creative, you can like draw and do graphics and stuff, anything like that. Also, if you're into being creative and if you're really looking for something to splurge on, a camera is a great gift. I'm currently filming on the Canon Rebel T5i, which I don't recommend. I have the Canon G7X Mark II for vlogging. I want to say that's like $700, $800, I don't know, somewhere in there. But if you're looking for a really nice DSLR, the Canon 90D is supposed to be amazing. I don't have it, but I would love to save up for it and buy that myself. And then lens that I'm currently filming on, it's a wide angle one, and actually zooms out to even wider than this, but I feel like it's too much, you know. This is the Canon EFS 10 to 18 millimeter. If you're looking to ask for or gift like a camera, I would get the Canon EF 24 millimeter f2.8 lens, and that's like a kind of good starter lens. Gets that blurry background, but it's a little bit smaller than this one, and I feel like this is good for vlogging, but I don't know if you're gonna be vlogging on a DSLR, you know? If you're looking to like go down the YouTube route, I think a ring light is such a great gift option. I think I'm probably going to be purchasing a ring light probably within the next week or two, because the lighting situation in my room, not great. I just feel like it's great for photos. You can use it for zooms. I mean, the one that I'd be getting is like a big one, but you can get like the cute little ones for on your computer or like a small little tripod. Great for taking pictures by yourself, whatever your needs may be. Also random, but a phone case. I feel like a nice phone case is such a cute gift, especially you can get like the cute little personalized ones from Casetify, which I would love to be sponsored by them. They can hit me up anytime, but I don't think I'm cool enough for them. You can get the ones with like their name on it or their initials. They're really durable. I used to have one and it literally never broke. It was fantastic. And then last but not least, this kind of goes back to the college category, but it's also kind of tech. A speaker is so necessary for college. It's one of the best investments I've ever made. I just have the small JBL Flip 4, I think. There's a ton and a bunch of different price ranges, but they are so durable, especially the JBL ones. Great sound, they're waterproof, they last forever, and I've loved mine. Our last category for him. I come to you with this category because I have two brothers. I've bought gifts for them for many years, obviously. I also used to work at a local boutique here in Richmond. A lot of people would come in asking for gift ideas for him. So here's a couple that I feel like would work well. First of all, anything Yeti, I feel like any guy will love. Also any girl. Yeti's just like such a great brand. I have a Yeti coffee mug. Well, it's actually not a coffee mug, it's a tumbler, but Sam suggested a Yeti coffee mug. Those are fantastic. Just anything Yeti, keeps it so well insulated. You can also buy the Yeti coolers if you're looking for a bigger ticket item, maybe for your dad or something. Yeti's just like the best gifts ever. You can also get like the cute little Yeti t-shirts. I got Connor one of those last year before, and he loved it. So highly recommend on that. I feel like a wallet, especially if they're like teenagers, young adults. Like I know I got both my brothers, I've actually gotten wallets before, and they both loved them because they didn't have one. I bought mine from Macy's and they have so many great deals. I remember I was like prepared to spend like $50 or something on it, and it was literally 18, something insane. I remember Macy's, if you guys are looking for any gifts for guys, definitely check out there because I feel like they just just always have good stuff. Also any kind of like golf shirt, if that's their style. I mean, I feel like it's a lot of people's style, at least around here. So those are always great for your dad, your brothers, whoever. A charging stand. I saw this somewhere. I used to have one for my watch. It didn't really work well, so definitely read the reviews, but one for your phone, AirPods, your Apple Watch, you could kind of just do all in one. I feel like that's super convenient, and you can also get like a sleek looking one to kind of sit on their nightstand, something like that. Also to go with the charging stand, there's an Apple Watch. I feel like that's such a great gift. I have the Series 3, never had any problems with it. It's amazing. So I don't think you necessarily even have to get like the nicest one. Going back to the headphones earlier, I feel like these would make a great gift, especially like the Bose headphones, the big ones that you can wear over your ears, or AirPods obviously are a great gift. I feel like those are super useful. Also slippers. This is something else that I feel like they would really enjoy, but they would never buy themselves. Last but not least, I feel like a nice toiletry bag is something a lot of guys do not have. I'm sure a lot of guys don't have. You can get them from any price range. I would recommend looking at Macy's again. They have so many great things, and especially a lot of great sales around the holidays. Marshall's, TJ Maxx also could have a lot of cute stuff. So those are all my gift ideas. I really hope this was helpful and hopefully gave you guys some inspiration to get shopping for the people in your life. Hopefully you're a little bit farther along than I am, but if not, you still have time. If you guys have any suggestions on what a great gift is, or what you're getting someone, or what you want someone to get you, leave it down below. I would love to know. I'm doing my shopping probably tonight and tomorrow. Any suggestions are welcome. Also, if you're new, subscribe down below. I'm making new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until Christmas, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.